Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of CyberSource Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application integrates the secure and reliable CyberSource payment gateway directly into your Odoo e-commerce and invoicing workflows. It allows businesses to accept online payments via credit cards and other supported methods with ease. With real-time transaction processing, fraud detection tool, and seamless synchronization within Odoo, this integration enhances both security and customer convenience in your payment operations. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Open that. Here under configuration we will go into the payment providers. Open that and here you will find a payment provider for CyberSource payment. Open that and here you can see the payment provider CyberSource. Here you can set the state to enable. I have recently added it to the test mode. Under that you need to add the credentials as merchant ID. Here you can see I have added merchant ID, secret key and client key. After this, just save it and publish the payment provider. Now we will go into the site home page and we will go into the shop. Now I'm going to add some products into the cart. So here I will be adding customizable desk into my cart. Click on proceed checkout. And here you can see the product is added into your cart. To check out, click on checkout. Here you can see the delivery address and delivery method in here. Now click on confirm. After this, under payment method, you need to choose a payment method and add the card details. So I have selected CyberSource and under that I am going to add my card details such as card number, card holder name. Here I have added BrowseInfo as my card holder name. Under that you need to enter the expiry month and year for your card, and besides that you need to add the CVV for your card. After entering all your card details, you need to click on pay now. Here you will find a button for pay now. Just click on that and here you can see that your payment is being processed. Here you can see you will be redirected to the thank you for your order page. Under that you can see your order number and under that you can see the payment information as payment provider and the total amount in here. Under that you can see the delivery and billing address also. Now under configuration we will go into the payment transactions and here you can see the transaction we just created from our website. Here you can see the reference, payment, amount, payment method, payment provider and every other little detail regarding the transaction in here. You can see this transaction is in confirmed state. And here you will find a button for sale order. Just click on that and you will be redirected to the sale order which is created from your transaction. Here you can see the product, delivery method, payment provider, every little detail regarding your transaction in this sale order also. Now here we will come to our CyberSource account. Here you can see our CyberSource account and in here we are going into the transaction management and we will go into the transaction and here you can see all the transaction which is made into the CyberSource. Here you can see the transaction we just created. You can see the request ID, the sale order number, amount, currency, application and email. You can see every little detail regarding your transaction in CyberSource also. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.